Hey guys, my name is Sangeeta and welcome back to my classes Easy French. So today let's see how to give or to ask for someone's phone number or mobile number. Hope you know your numbers and number names by heart. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and let's get started. Okay, so now let's see these gadgets, what we call them in French. So this is ordinary telephone. So we pronounce it as téléphone, téléphone. Now E was pronounced as O. We have seen this in our alphabets. E is O. With the ague, it will become A. So téléphone. Okay, now this is mobile. So mobile is called portable. R sound is very typical in French. From top of your palate, so it sounds like kh in Hindi, khargosh wala kh. So portable. You can also say telephone mobile, telephone mobile. Okay, now the charger of the telephone or mobile is charger. Now CH is sure. We have seen this in tips for pronunciation in the first lesson. Okay, so the link is there in the description box. In case if you have missed it, do see both the videos on accents as well as the alphabets. So charger de téléphone, okay, or the charger de mobile, charger de mobile. So now the question will be quel est votre numéro de téléphone or quel est votre numéro de portable or quel est votre numéro de téléphone mobile. Yeah. Anyway, you can ask the for someone's phone number. Okay. Now, quel means what? A is, votre is your, numero is number of telephone. French formation of the sentence. It is not literal translation of English. It cannot be literal translation of English. Both are different languages. So the format is this. Quel est votre numéro de téléphone portable, téléphone mobile? Okay. Now, okay. So the answer to the question is mon numéro de téléphone est le. Mon is my, numero is number of, telephone is, A is le. Now this le, right now you learn the format like that only because slowly, gradually you will come to know from where this le is coming, from where this A is coming. So slowly, as we go ahead, you will learn it. As for now, just learn it by heart that whenever you are giving the phone number, that this le has to be there. Okay. So again, I'll repeat the answer. Mon numéro de téléphone est le, and then you write the number. Clear? Next. Okay. Now you'll see that French numbers, whenever we are giving phone numbers in French, they will be written in pairs. Means after every two numbers a dot, two numbers a dot. So you give the phone numbers in this way only. This is very important. Now, another important thing is while saying orally, they will never say O for a zero. Okay? They will never say O for a zero. And they will never say 55 for any numbers which are repeated. 5500. This is a wrong way of saying a phone number in French. Okay? So these two things, be careful. Now, one more important thing is they will never give the phone number like we give in English, like 2334557800. So this is a very casual way some people use it these days. But if you are writing an exam, then this is prohibited. You cannot give the phone number as 2334557800. This is a wrong way. Okay, so in French, if I have to say the phone number, how we say it in English, then we'll say 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 0, 0. Clear? I'll read it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 0, 0. Clear? Now, okay, so now a little gratitude from your side. Please like the channel and please do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much and let's start. So now you have seen that first important thing is that we have to give the numbers in pair. We have to put a dot. And now while writing the number names, you have to, the correct way is writing the numbers as 98, 06, 13, 73, and 48. Clear? So we'll read it in French now. So in French, 98 98 is called as 98, 06, 13, 73. Remember 73, 60 plus 13. So 73 and 48. 48 is 48. So you have to give the four numbers this way. We'll practice one more number. It's 12, 34, 56, 78 and 00. Clear? So we are going to read it as, or you have to write it this way only. Is 12 is 2, then 34 is 34, 56 is 56, 78 is 78 and 00. Okay, clear? I hope you have understood. So let's sum up what we have learned today. Okay, so before we sum up the lesson for today, a small request, please do like the video. Thank you so much. And now we'll just sum up what we have learned today. So the question was, quel est votre numéro de téléphone? Quel est votre numéro de portable? Quel est votre numéro de téléphone mobile? And they really speak very fast. So try to read this sentence again and again and try to read it fast. Means you have to really practice it well. Okay, so the answer is mon numéro de téléphone est là. Mon numéro de téléphone est là. And then you write your number, you write whatever number are there. So you can write randomly as well. So I'll just read this number first. So you have to remember that we have to give in pairs. This dot is compulsory. Never to say 00, 33 or whatever that repeated numbers, and never use O for a 0. So we'll read this number as 98 is 98, 06 will be 06, 13 will be 13, 63 is 73, 48 will be 48. So what you'll do, your friend's phone number, your own phone number, you write it this way and do a lot of practice. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.